The iPhone 4, one of the best phones of its time. Now, I can't exactly use the word funny, but still. So, actually, I did the teardown before and I actually filmed the video, but the sad part was I forgot to click the record button and everything went. So, I'm just gonna show the whole thing now. So, first, we gotta take the back panel off, and then we have a metal piece on which has a screw on. So we take the screw out and the metal piece out. Unfortunately, I removed all the screws, so I don't know which screw goes where. So now after taking that out, we can take our battery cable out and take the battery out. So it's a 1420 mAh battery. So there are two screws out here and a metal plate that protects this cable out here. After that, we remove two more screws and we can take the vibrator out, which is just a motor with a weight on one side. After that, we remove 5 screws and we can take this huge metal piece off, and we are introduced with a lot of cables now. After unplugging each one of the cable, we are able to get the camera out, but I don't know how many megapixel it is. It might mostly be 8. So let's continue. So after removing 2 more screws, we are able to take the speaker out. So, and it has a weird type of wire out here. So after removing all the screws and other things from the main board, just we have to take the SIM card slot out and we can lift the main board. So actually these were covered by some of these metal pieces, like these type metal pieces, and I had to break some of them just to reveal this thing. So if you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe. And I'm sorry I could not show the proper teardown video because I forgot to click the button, so I'll do it better next time.